Okay, hi. Petronio Alvarez Festival. The Pacific Music Festival Petronio Alvarez is of great relevance for its musical arrangements, typical food, traditional drinks, Afro fashion and aesthetics, and its people. Once again, they arrive with strength, union, flower, and joy of a people that resists and keeps its cultural traditional alive. The Petronio Alvarez has managed to consolidate the cultural, social, and economic values of a region in the same space and time, allowing to paint an horizon that responds to the new normally from inside. Reactivating, claiming, and driving one more version of this celebration that unites us around the knowledge of Afro culture. Cali is the most important cosmopolitan urban center for Black people in Colombia. Cali is the first municipality in absolute terms of Black population in Colombia, but its population size is higher than that of all the urban centers of the Pacific. When considering the phenomenon of metropolization of Cali or the immediate area of influence, Cali extends city region, which includes Cali, the entire north of Cauca, Buenaventura, and the entire south of the valley. In total, 28 municipalities, it is the largest concentration of Afro descendants in the country. There are three additional fabrics that are linked to the Petronio Alvarez Festival: the cuisine and regional identity with sweet foods, the marketing and production of intoxicating drinks and crafts and traditional design objects of Afroculture. There is also an emphasis of Afro bodies, fashion, and aesthetics, thus generating tourists in the Pacific Zone from Colombia. Okay, the Petronio is the seduction of blackness and demonstration of black feminine and male bodies and their cultural expressions by white mestizo population that participates in the Petronio event, with all its ambivalent problematic debate between anti-racism by seductions and racist sexism. A significant part of the Afro population of Cali maintains the family and country ties with their places of origin in the Pacific throughout the year. But with the Petronio, this phenomenon has intensified over the last 20 years. Around of music, salt and sweet gastronomy, traditional drinks around the beach, crafts of various kinds, and increasingly stronger in the field of Afro fashion and aesthetics. Thank you. Bye.